everybody, thank you so much for watching. So today I'm going to do the Lush experiment again, but I'm going to do it with a naked shower gel. So if you saw my video before, I blended a Tender as the Night naked shower cream and it turned out really, really great. I just uploaded a video showing kind of the update about it. I did add more water, so in total it was a half cup of water for that little tiny bottle, and so it turned out perfect. It was really whipped in consistency and awesome, and you can take a look at that and see what it is like. It's in the first few minutes of the video I just posted with my Easter haul, so check that out. And now I thought I'd try it with a naked shower gel to see the difference and how it just compares. So this is a naked bubbly shower gel, and this was from the Christmas gift, Happy Christmas. So I want to say that this is a little over 100. This might be like 120 grams or whatnot, but this is a lot bigger than what I had before. The other tiny bottle that I had, oh, let me show you, was about like this size. So this is very large in comparison. And what I'm going to be doing is chopping it up, blending it up, and adding water with a measuring cup. And I will be converting it into these two plastic bottles using a funnel. So I do have my funnel and I'm prepared today. But I'm going to be putting it into these two little bottles here. And this is just from the dollar store. And it is 9.6 fluid ounces for each bottle. And altogether that converts to 286 milliliters per bottle. So very awesome. I'm going to crack this open so that way I'm ready to go. And I just thought green would be a cool color for the orange, so let's see here. All right, so let's just do this. Let's get into it. I'm trying to make this fairly quick, because last time I felt like that video was fairly long. Ooh, it's very, very slippery. Okay, so let's just take off the wax here. Came off very easily. And this should be a lot softer because it's very clear. And this is the US version, if that makes any difference too. The one that I had before when I blended the Tender as the Night was from the UK, but this is the Bubbly shower gel from the US. So I've mentioned before in a past video that sometimes the consistencies of the products will be different from the US compared to the UK, but they do try to make them as equal as possible when they do make their products. So, but I've noticed the difference, definitely. Especially with the shower creams, as you can see the difference in maybe my Lush shower gel collection, which I recommend you check out if you'd like to. I have a whole Lush playlist with every Lush video that I've ever made. Oh wow, awesome! This is just kind of crumbling up a bit. I didn't even have to cut this barely. Sweet! So I barely had to cut this. This is breaking up really nicely. Alright. I'm kind of nervous because I feel like this is going to expand a lot, so I might need a bigger cup. But honestly, I'm just going to try to do this whole bottle in one cup, and we'll see. I might need to might need to get a bigger cup to blend this in. Okay, so I'm all chopped up here. Let's put it in, and let's do it. It's very, like, almost like solid jello. I think this is going to turn out great. Okay. Oh, that's a big chunk there. Maybe I'll chop that one again. Okay, there we go. All right, that's another chunk. Alrighty. Got it all chopped up. Ready to go. I'm so excited to see how this will be different. So let's see. Okay, and I'm going to just go ahead and measure up a half cup of water. I am very messy right now. Oh gosh, I'm going to clean off my hands here with some paper that I have. Okay. All right. I'm going to get messy anyway, so well. All right, so I'm just going to start with a 4th cup again, and then we will add more as needed from there. Okay, so 4th cup of water. I'm doing this over here. Okay, 4th cup of water for a naked shower gel. Let's get our lid on and blend away. Okay. This is super creamy. I think it's only because I added a little bit of water, but it definitely got a lot of the chunks. There is no chunks in this at all. And look at how creamy and bubbly that is. You could stop right there and this could be a really thick shower cream. Well, I mean, almost a shower cream. This is a shower gel. Duh. I'm making this into a shower gel. And I love how bubbly and whipped that is. That is perfect. I like the consistency of this, but my goal is to get it to be a little watery so I can put it in the shower, the bottles. So let's add one more 4th cup. Ooh, okay, perfect. Level 4th cup here. And add it in. Okay. Let's blend this back up and see how this differs. Okay. Give it a little bit. All the stuff down. Tap it down. Okay. I feel like I need to shake it up for some reason because it's not like getting all of the stuff at the bottom. Put the NutriBullet. Oh my gosh, this looks perfect. Okay, I'm gonna blend it up a little bit more. Okay, now let's see how we got it. Try to tap off all the stuff off the top. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Look at that, watery, definitely a very orange in color, and it still kind of has some air bubbles to it. But, you know, I'm sure if you let that sit for a little bit, the bubbles will disperse themselves. But I am happy with this. I got quite a bit of product. I could almost add more. The scent does smell a little longer, a little less as strong, that's what I meant to say, as when it was in its solid form. But you can still smell that amazing bubbly scent, which I didn't mention in the video that I made previously. The scent in that you can still smell, but it's not as strong as it is when it is a solid. But yeah. All right. So now let's get our funnel plate for backup in case if I make a mess, because I probably will. And let's just pour that in. Oh, look at that. Okay, I gotta go slow here because I'm kind of coming off the top here. But that is draining into here, and I love the consistency. This is like perfect consistency, very creamy, definitely just awesome. I am very happy with my results so far. And I'm going to try to get this all down into the bottle. And you could probably buy a bunch of bottles on online or something like that. So Lush, I'm sorry to tell you, but you failed at making naked shower gels. And I know this sounds harsh to say, but you can basically take this home, and I know it seems like a little bit of work, but blend this up with some water, get your own bottles, get a label maker, which I did. I bought a label maker today. Label this, and now you've got twice the amount of product as before, you know, when it is in its solid form. So technically it's genius, but it also is kind of a little bit of work. But me being a fan of Lush as I have for so many years, well, a few years now at least, I'm willing to put in the effort to make something for myself like this because it's just amazing. And I love being able to kind of, you know, find what works for me and what I like. And so okay, we're getting a little bit full here. I might have to go and fill up a second bottle. Oh my gosh. I can't believe. I'm not sure what the original size of that naked shower gel was, but for this amount, that's quite a lot. Okay. All right, well, I'm full here on this one, so I'm going to put the lid on that, or just set that to the side. Let's just set that to the side. And I am going to, I think, see if I can add a little bit more water to whatever I have left here, and then fill up another bottle and see how the consistencies compare. But I absolutely love this. I think it's amazing. Okay, so let's put the funnel down because I'm making a mess. All right. I'm going to add just a splash more water. So measurement-wise, you can really just kind of play around with this. It doesn't have to be exact. but I did use in total 2/4 cups, which is a half cup altogether, and that was the consistency that I got. Oh gosh, I can't even screw the lid back on. Okay. Just kind of get the rest of this out of here. Okay. And sorry if this video is so long. I just wanted to show you the entire process of what I'm doing here, just to see, you know, if this is something that you'd want to try at home for yourself. So I filled up 1 full bottle already, and I've got the lid on it, and now I'm doing my second bottle. And this has a little push pop top, which I think is so cool. And I will even try to push it out of the bottle, so that way you can kind of see how it comes out and if it still comes out okay. All right, let's dump the rest of this in here. Okay. There it goes. Nice and creamy and thick. Just beautiful consistency. I might have to see if I can scrape this out into there, but whatever. Okay, so that's it. I pretty much got both of these done, and in total with that bottle, I've got a bottle and a little bit almost of a second one here. If I added more water, I probably could have gotten this both filled up totally, but for the consistency of this, let me just show you. I'm gonna pop this top here and pour some into the other bottle, but this comes out perfectly. It comes out just as fine. Of course, it's going to have a little leaking up the top, but this comes out just as fine as it would in a pump bottle or whatever. But I went ahead and got these bottles at the dollar store myself, blended this up, made water, and I got twice the amount of product in one solid naked bottle into this, basically. Like 100 and something grams to basically 283 milliliters bottle. Awesome. Just how cool. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I love the result of this. You could definitely add more water and get it a lot wetter, but yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I kind of rambled through this, and thank you again. Comment down below questions for a Q&A video in the future. Bye!